Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Ford Mustang without a key. First, assess the situation and ensure you have the right tools. You'll want to gather items such as a plastic wedge, a long reach tool, and possibly a coat hanger. Always prioritize safety and avoid causing damage to your vehicle's paint or window seals. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, offering practical advice for gaining access. Once you have your tools, gently insert a plastic wedge into the upper corner of the driver's or passenger's door frame. This creates a small, safe opening, typically between 1/4 and 1/2 inch. Next, carefully slide your long reach tool through this gap. Aim to hook the interior door handle, the lock button, or the electronic unlock switch. Patience is key to avoid scratching the paint or damaging the weather stripping. Another method involves using a straightened wire coat hanger. Form a small hook at one end and carefully slide it down between the window and the weather stripping. The goal is to feel for and snag the interior lock mechanism or the door handle. This can be tricky and requires a delicate touch to prevent damage. If these methods prove difficult, remember that calling a professional locksmith is always a safe and reliable option. When attempting to unlock your Mustang, always prioritize safety and preventing damage. Using too much force can bend the door frame, scratch the paint, or even damage the electrical components of power locks and windows. If you're not comfortable with the process, or if your attempts are unsuccessful, it is highly recommended to contact a certified automotive locksmith. They have specialized tools and expertise to unlock your vehicle safely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.